Hello everyone, today we are discussing about a roadmap to become a data engineer. Okay, if you want to become a data engineer in 2025 but don't know where to start, here I am to help you all peoples. I've helped dozens of people to get their first job in data. Let me show you the fastest and the smartest way to get there. Okay, let's start from our PPT. We'll go through one by one what are the prerequisites to become a data engineer, what are the things you need to learn to become a data engineer in 2025. Okay, we'll go one by one. Firstly, what is data engineer? Who is data engineer? What exactly you do? In layman terms, he will get the data, like a garbage data. He do a multiple transformations, filters, and convert the garbage data into a meaningful data that can be reusable from any of the person in for further business. Okay, that is what exactly in the layman terms. Okay, data engineering, as you see, there's a definition. What is a data engineer? He will use multiple tools: SQL, Python, PySpark, ADF, ADB. Using multiple tools, he convert that garbage data into a meaningful data, and that data has been reused by a business or a customer or anyone who is involved in that business entity. The main key responsibilities are ETL and ELT. What is ETL and ELT? ETL means extract, transfer, load. Whereas ELT is extract, load, transfer as per the business requirement. Okay, managing data warehouse solutions and data lake, ensure data quality, security, and accessibility. That is what mainly data engineer do. Okay, this is who is the data engineer. Why choosing this career? That is so important, right? This is highly demand, excellent competition, cloud and AI driven. So this is the major highly demand, one of the highly demand skill in 2025. So the career path offers stable intellectual challenge and change to work in a technology innovation where you can involve in between the business side along with the customer side. Both you're acting as a bridge between the end user and a business side. Both. That is what made a data engineer stable and innovative and more demanding. Okay, these are the major chunks why you need to choose this career. Okay, what are the core skills you need? Okay, first you need SQL. Okay, that is a query language. That is a that we use for data manipulation and etc. Okay, and you need one language that is not extreme. You need basic Python, not any of the language. Python, Scala. We'll go with Python. Python because so many people are using Python and it is easy to learn who is coming from a non-coding background. That's why we'll go with Python. These two is mandatory. Along with that, data ETL tool will go with Azure. As we are going with Azure on a cloud basis, we'll use Azure. We have a number of cloud providers: Azure, GCP, AWS. So we'll choose Azure. Azure components we use. Okay. Mainly for ETL purpose, we use ADF, Azure Data Factory, and for transformations, logics, and all we use Databricks, Azure Databricks, and storage purpose we use ADLS Gen 2. Okay, for deploy and maintaining the CI/CD, we use DevOps. Okay, these are the skills that is required in a data engineering field. You need these mandatory fields, like mandatory skills that is required to become a data engineer. Okay, see what we will do. We'll go with the from the foundation to the intro preparation, project level intro preparation. Okay, first one to 2 months we'll build a foundation. What is required? SQL is required. Python, PySpark. We'll go with the Python, not Python to PySpark. Python is Spark. Okay, these are two skills majorly for coding purpose, and I'll teach you what are the required things for the data engineering. Okay, and This third and fourth month will go with the cloud, specifically ADB, ADLS, Gen 2, Power BI, how you prepare, how you get the data, how you load, what are the sources, different sources you will have, what are the different file formats you are going to work with, and after that, what are the transformation we do for the uh, real-time perspective. We'll learn those things, and post that we'll use presentation PPT level of knowledge. Like when once you learn, you need to be ready to explain. That is what is major thing. Okay, in interview, what you did, if you are unable to express or explain what exactly you did, then it is waste. So we will learn that also in the 5th and 6 months. We will go with project interview preparation. Major focus is on project and interview preparation. Once we complete both foundation and the cloud data tools, then we'll go to project. How a real project will work. What are the things that we need that will comes in a real project? How the project will flow. One by one we'll learn. And post that we'll go to preparation of indoor preparation. Watch first for how we need to prepare for each topic that we covered, what are the major things, and how we need to answer each question. And bonus, I will help you to prepare a resume. How you need to prepare a resume that you will get more calls in LinkedIn or Naukri, anywhere if you put that gives ATS friendly resume. I will help you with preparing ATS friendly resume. Okay. See, these are the essentials. Okay, I will teach you one by one. How and we will portray our clean data into this format. Okay, things you should avoid, common mistakes to avoid: ignoring SQL depth. That is this is what commonly I observe when I'm teaching with some students. They majorly ignore SQL deep knowledge. Many beginners underestimate the importance of SQL. That is the backbone of data engineering. Okay, you should be have the good knowledge in SQL because you're working whenever the data comes. You should be good enough knowledge on SQL. Okay, and what they will do was after that they will learn many tools. They will learn Azure, they will learn GCP. Sometimes they will go with AWS and some other cloud era, Hive, those things. Okay, on-prem. So that is where they will mess up. So they don't have proper plan from where we need to start, what we need to start, how we need to go. These are the things I'm going to teach in the going forward. And few people don't build real time projects. Simply they once they complete they will start jumping. No, once you complete the technical stuffs, you need to do a project. That way, that is giving the more confidence. Once you do project, you get the next level confidence to work. Okay, that is also major thing. And not preparing for the interviews. Simply they will go without preparation. Going to an interview, it is a bad idea. Okay, you should be preparing very well. Okay, that is the major thing. You need to learn one tool at a time and prepare for that tool for the interview. Okay, first we'll go with SQL, PySpark, that is major. Once that is done, we'll go to cloud, Azure. I'll to show you real time how we use ADB, Gen 2, Key Vault. Okay, everything I will show you. Okay, this is what I'm going to teach you, and this is what is the roadmap to become a data engineering. I'm going to help you with the one by one topic to become a data engineering by 2025. By the end of 2025, you will be ready with the full-fledged knowledge to become a data engineer. Okay. Okay. Thank you. If you think this help you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I post beginner-friendly tutorial, interview question and answer, live project breakdowns every week. Okay. Do subscribe to keep on touch. I will give you each and every thing that is required to become a data engineer. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.